For nearly 8 decades, the Schillings brand has been synonymous with reliability in the Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland regions. We pride ourselves on maintaining a broad in-stock selection of essential construction supplies, encompassing everything from lumber and decking to interior fixtures like flooring and cabinetry. Contractors have easy local access to our displays and sales staff. Our showroom is not just a place to view products, but a full-service experience offering expert advice, stunning kitchen vignettes, large flooring displays, decking displays, a well-stocked hardware department, and an expansive windows and doors gallery. We stand out from the competition with a fleet of 75-plus vehicles, delivery sometimes as soon as the same day, and exceptional customer service. At Schillings, customer convenience is paramount. Whether you opt for a hands-on shopping experience or the ease of online ordering with reliable delivery options. So when you're looking to supply your next job, let us deliver your materials the Schillings way. On time and error-free.